Good morning, everyone. This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, your sewer and drain cleaning expert, located up in Berlin, New Hampshire, serving the Berlin, New Hampshire, and North Conway area. Today, we're going to Berlin, New Hampshire to take care of a sewer. It's located on Finland Street. Our friends over at Mike Excavation put in an outside clean out because we had no access to take care of that sewer. So now it's done, and we're going to go there and we're going to take care of that sewer, get them up and running again, and then move on to another call and keep New Hampshire flowing. Like I said, another shout out to Mike Excavation, always there for your excavating needs. They do a good job, located in Berlin, New Hampshire. If you need a referral for an excavator, just hit me up and I'll send you over his telephone number and his contact information, and Tom can get you dug up. So let's get this day started, folks. What do we got going on the street today? Looks like some road repair. Nice. Really need to fix this place. Nice. What we got coming up here? We got ourselves a steamroller. Cool. And an excavator. Nice work. All right, let's get off to that drain. All right, we got a big thing of root inside there, and a clean out Tom installed. Excellent. Yeah, I see a big giant root inside there. What you got to do. All right, so we got the sewer cleaned out, flex shafted it, bunch of roots, outside clean out installed by Mike Excavation. Excellent work. Thanks, Tom. And that sewer runs out all the way out to the street, down that hill. It is over 100 years old with some offsetting going on. But we got those roots all cleared. Nice. Keep New Hampshire flowing. Hey, this is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're just going to show you the effects of sewer systems when you live on kind of like a steep hill. So we have the house, which is up here, and there's an outside clean out here. And that sewer comes down through the yard, down here, and it actually has to come up on the steep hill and then drop into the sewer system here. So let me just turn around here a little bit here so you can see how steep this hill is. So when you have an old home, 100 years old, you're going to have an old sewer system, and there's going to be a lot of movement in that pipe. So pipe is going to shift over time. You're going to have a lot of offsets, the possibility of a sag. The sewer's going to start pulling down this way, so it's going to start actually pulling apart parts of your sewer and causing all kinds of blockages and stoppages. Especially now with the older pipes and water saver toilets not having sufficient amount of flow to get stuff down to the sewer. Main culprit of this house was tree roots up here, but we flex shafted those things and got them all open. And let me just flip. So it's good to check the sewer system if you're purchasing a house on a big hill like this. Like I said, you could see right there how steep that is and how much that pipe will move around. So if you're buying a home or you question the condition of your sewer system because of a situation like this, it's good to send a camera down there and to check. We have the sewer open 100%. We cleared a bunch of the roots out, recommended that they use Root X to keep it under control, and that should keep them flowing. The only issue is, like I said, time with the pipe moving, being 100 years old, and a lot of the hill drifts around here. So this is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. If you're having sewer problems or you just want to know what shape your sewer is in, give us a call. We do sewer inspections and we keep New Hampshire flowing. Have a good day, folks. Always remember, beep, beep. We keep New Hampshire flowing.